All right, so you're going to learn how you can set up profitable campaigns on Pinterest that can help you to generate thousands of dollars on your AdSense and your blog. So I'll go ahead to do that. So first of all, you go to Pinterest. Now there's a strategy to create an account and set it up for this purpose on Pinterest.com. So you go ahead to do this. So once I open it up, it's going to come up. Okay. Okay, so you can join or create an account using your Gmail, Google Mail. So you click on that, continue right here. So sign up. Okay, so anything can be your listing. So I'm going to use this. Okay. Okay, so go ahead to click on create account. So one watch this session carefully because you are going to see the rigorics and what you expected of in this. So you click on next. Okay, then select gender. So so go ahead to do that. So you can go ahead to select your country. So now when selecting country, it's good you select United States, and I'm going to show you why much later on. So select areas you're interested in. So you can choose a whole lot of areas here. Okay. So possible areas of your blog or closely related areas. It must not be exactly the same niche you are in. Remember, your aim is to set up profitable campaigns here that you can use to generate money. Okay. So once you've done that, click on this button. Okay. So when you are done, click on done. Okay. So um, we've created the account. So you can click on go to settings. So it's going to take you to the settings. So uh, if you want to hide your profile from bots and search engines, you can just click on this and you know it can. But we don't want to do that because you want your profile to be discoverable, right? For your campaigns and for other purposes. So if you click on this public profile, you're going to see some other features. So you can go ahead to add your little bio or description about your site, add your website link and all that. Okay, so now remember, I want to set up campaigns. Now, to set up campaigns, you must use Pinterest for business. So this is where it gets more interesting. Go ahead to this icon, click on convert to business. Okay, so when you click on convert to business, you're going to see upgrade to free business account. So you can just click on upgrade. You're going to see the features. All these ads manager access, insights, analytics, credits, and offers is available for those who are under the business category. So you click on upgrade from personal to business. So you're going to see these menus are going to be adjusted, so you can see it has been adjusted right here. So anything can be your brand name. So let's say uh, Dominion Dominion Travels. Okay. Do you have a website? Yes. Make sure you specify you have a website. Very important. Okay. So just put your website uh, name here. Okay. Then, as I said, country must be United States. You don't need to use VPN. You don't need to use anything. Just use your default ISP, Internet Service Provider. Do your normal thing, same way you browse the internet by default. But select United States as your country. Then English should be your language. The reason is that it's only those who are United States that are whose country is the United States that are allowed to run campaigns on Pinterest, right? So go ahead to click on next. Then okay, when you come here, you can go ahead to select another category, education. So what do we want to do? Sell more products, generate leads to a business, um, drive traffic to a site, which is our objective. So you select this. So we don't want to select any other one here, even though you can, but this is our primary goal at this point in time. So you click on next again. Then what defines your personality or your business, what you do? So you can see blogging. So you select blogger option here, right? Okay. So we click on next. Okay. Now, the next question, this is very important. Would you ever be interested in running ads? This is for them to be able to enable your account for ads. So it's good you indicate interest by taking this. Yes, I'm interested in advertising because we want to run arbitrage campaigns on this. So you click on this next. Okay, so where would you like to start? Grow your audience, create an ad, so just like a quick start you know, guide, something like that. So you can ignore this anyway. You can. So you can see the option for creating ads has appeared here. Why? Because we switched from personal to business. You can see before there was no option like this business. It was not there before. So what we have it now. You can go ahead to close this option. This now. You click on this. Yeah. So we've not verified our email. So we need to verify our email. You can see. So we've not verified. So you need to do that. So you go to your Gmail. I'm going to do that right away now. Okay. Okay. So once you are done verifying your account, so you'll be taken to this. So you can go ahead to click on campaigns and start your campaign. So check the next session that follows this so that you can be able to see the step-by-step process of utilizing this campaign setup for Pinterest for arbitrage purposes. Okay, so when you click on that, click on agree to advertising agreement and all that. So we don't need it, so you click on this to close it. Okay, so you see list of all the campaigns. If you place other campaigns here, you see them here. If you want, you can just click on create campaigns. Okay, so from here you can start doing that. So if we need this, you can set up billings where you'll be charged, your payment method and all that. So you can start up using this automated or this. So any of them works. Click on get started. Okay. So that is it. So like I said, check the next session in this training module so you can see how to go about setting up a profitable arbitrage campaign using Pinterest as your traffic source.